Hi friends, welcome to Padma's Cook. Before going to video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I am going to make Kara Boondi recipe. So without any further delay, let's get started. To make this in a measuring bowl, take 2 cups of gram flour. Add in half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, a pinch of asafoetida, 4 tablespoon rice flour, salt to taste. Now pour in little amount of water, mix it properly and give it a liquid consistency. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and mix it properly. And that's it, the batter is now ready. Pour in the batter onto this whole spatula. Just roll the batter with the help of spatula. Do this process on medium to low flame. It hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes to cook. As you can see, the boondi is cooked very well. Let's fry rest of the ingredients. Add in the peanuts. Fry it for a minute. Peanuts are ready. Transfer it. In the same way, fry in the cashew nuts. Fry in the roughly crushed garlic. Transfer it. And at last, the curry leaves. And that's it. The super tasty Kara Boondi recipe is now ready. Definitely try this out. See you all in the next video. Until then, bye.